Wow. Is anybody home? Can I help you?
What happened? Where, get it. Jesus Christ, are y'all right? Really?
What was that? What happened?
She literally just bounced her feet off of that and went almost head first into the van.
Oh, look, the camera's recording us now.
Let me take a picture for you. Like me now? You like another one?
You like
This one?
No, Maria.
Are you having a laugh?
Oh.
Are you having a fucking laugh? I tell you once already, press that buzzer one more time and I'm going to punch your fucking head in. Fuck off. Stop fucking pressing the buzzer, you donkey bastard.
Steven here.
You got the wrong house.
I knew this was a ripoff.
Okay, what are you looking for, Steven?
No, I am Steven. I'm looking for, Fifi.
Yeah, you got the wrong house.
So, you don't want to have sex tonight?
Sir, my husband's in the living room with the gun.
Huh. Okay.
Have a good night.
Understood.
What, take the picture of the car? No, come on, I wanted to be screensaver, man. I'm not getting no red plates on now. I'm not getting any red plates on now.
Want some cereal?
I don't want to. Up. You see me? Now you don't see me. You see me? Now you don't see me. Haha. Anyway. You see me? Now you don't see me. Why are you taking so long? Maybe they are in the toilet.
Wedgie in my head. Amen. God be blessed. I lost the sliders. And I got.
You good? You good? Oh, you're not good, and I'm not in a physical state to help you either. I got you. I haven't got you. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck.
Roger! Are you okay?
Yeah,
What did you do?
I hit the gas instead of the brake.
Oh, fucking goddamn. Big son of a bitch. James! Did you get everything done that I asked you to do?
Yes.
So downstairs is clean, your room, everything. I just hurt my knee, I fell.
Yeah. I saw that.
Oh, I saw how you rushed down the stairs to make sure it was okay.
I saw you get up and then swear.
I hit my head off the...
Open the door! Oh my God!
I know. Yeah, look, that belongs to you. Your dog's shitting outside my garden again.
Hi, Mum. Say hi to my mum. Don't have to press it.
Ring-a-ding-ding-ding.
Oh, don't
Ring-a-ding-ding-ding. Ring-a-ding-ding.
Oh, sorry. We're too drunk.
Ring-a-ding-ding.
Hi, Mum. Right.
Hi, Mummy.
Shh. Thanks.
Alright, there, sorry.
Because they never see anybody drink or eat anything.
You, yeah? You're, no, pause that. You're a little pussy. Locking the fucking door so I cannot get in. Nah, it's not on. That's some bullshit, like. Can't even push on the fucking handle, bro. Now I've got to strut around the whole fucking house just to get to my bedroom because some idiot couldn't be bothered to open up this fucking handle. Like, what is going through your brain? Your son is out of the house. He's gonna come back to his house. He's gonna come back to his own yard. And you sit there and lock the door on, man. Like, I just wanna go in. Just wanna go in. If you can hear that, fucking door handle won't go down. Do you know why? Do you wanna know why? Because it's fucking locked. Now I'm gonna go cry as I walk around this corner, right? I'll see you in a bit.